Hello and happy Monday. I just got my Botox and my 2 little spots, and I am trying to make sure I don't push my sunglasses against it. I filmed a little video, so that is on YouTube. No, not on YouTube. It's on Instagram. I filmed a little reel. I haven't done a reel in a long time, but I've been enjoying the like outfit of the day and style this piece with me kind of reels, so I decided I would do one today, and I love how my outfit turned out. I just did an outfit of the day. I didn't do a styling video because I didn't have enough time. This is an early appointment. But that was fun, and I just wanted to tell you guys about it. Now I have to run some errands. I have to pick up my birth control and drop off a package because I sold something on Poshmark last night. So that is my morning. I'm already caffeinated. My coffee's almost gone. So I'm gonna get some tunes going in the car and head to my next destination. Hello and happy Tuesday. Got a face on because I just filmed, but my Sephora order just got here. Oh, can you see my address? No, you cannot. Okay. Let's still move that to the side anyway. My Sephora order just came in that I got some things with my gift cards and my points and all that stuff, and didn't pay too much for this, which was really nice. So let's take a look. Samples. I did not add samples onto my order, so they just threw these in. So I'm gonna not use either of these. I'll go ahead and throw them into the giveaway. And then what did I get? So I got a Tarte Lip Quench. This was the only color they had left in stock. I think Sephora's not going to be selling these anymore, but they seem to still be in stock on the Tarte website, so I'm not going to cry yet. But this is the nude, and the packaging's really cute. It's like metallic seashells. And actually, I think I have like what would be the nude left in my purse, but there you go. Really like the Lip Quench. And then this was my Point Perk thingy. This is the KP Bump Eraser Scrub with 10% HA. And this is like a 1 ounce size. So I'm probably going to put this with my travel stuff for when we travel for more than just a weekend. Like, I don't need to take a body scrub for just a weekend. But when we travel for like a week at a time, I'd like to take a scrub with me. So I'm going to put this in my travel stuff for that purpose. Very excited about that. And then this is an item you've seen me mention in an empties video before. This is the K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. I love this stuff. I obviously have a ton of other hair stuff I need to use up. So I'll only probably use this once in a while, even though I really want to use it all the time. But this stuff is great. Obsessed. Love. Love. Then we have, I think this must have been a Point Perk thing. No, this was, I had a coupon code that gave me this for free. This is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. They sent you a little sample. Well, lots of little samples. Oh, I didn't realize they were in this form factor. I'm going to put this with my travel stuff. That's exciting. That's very cool. I kind of wish you could buy them like this for travel purposes. That's very exciting. But anyway, I love this stuff, and there was a coupon code for they would throw this in your order for free, so very excited about that. And then I saw, this is the internet made me do it kind of purchase. I saw someone online use one of these Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadows, and she looked like a freaking princess pixie of the woods. She looked ethereal and gorgeous and amazing, and I'm like, oh, I need those. So I got 2 of them. I got the color Cosmic and the color Space Cowboy. So I figured these were the 2 lightest colors, 2 most similar to my skin tone. She had very, very dark skin tone, and she had a very, very dark color. And the way that it applied, it just looked like the galaxy of stars on her eyes. It looked just dreamy and magical, so I wanted to try that myself. I need eyeshadow, like a hole in the head. I've got a whole drawer of eyeshadow I don't touch, right? But oh, these are so pretty. I had to, so very excited about them, even though I didn't need them. Yeah, so that is my Sephora haul. Nothing too crazy. just kind of some fun stuff. I really haven't bought like a lot of fun stuff from Sephora in the past several orders. I've just been buying like practical things that I use and go through, so I'm very excited for these items. And I'm glad this ended up being cruelty free because I really wanted it and I was gonna be sad if it wasn't. Yep, so that is what I was up to today, filming, opening my haul. And then what else do I have going on? Well, I've obviously been working, been catching up on laundry, cleaning. That's really all I've been doing. It's not going to be the most interesting week. I just have not been doing anything at all. Austin got into the dentist today, so he's out doing that. Hopefully he can pick up a couple things. Our water is being turned off tomorrow because they're doing some work down the street. So hopefully he remembers to get some bottled water so I'm not sitting here parched all day. Yeah, that's the update. Not a lot of craziness going on. I do love how this makeup turned out though. I'm fond of it. I don't know if I mentioned it in a previous vlog. I might have, that I had gotten a consultation appointment for Kybella at the dermatologist, but unfortunately that appointment got canceled because the only doctor at my dermatologist office that offered the Kybella had a baby and decided she's going to stay home with the baby full time now. So, I mean, good for her for making her own empowered life decisions, but I'm also sad that I won't be getting my gobbler addressed. They offered me other stuff like lipo and then cool sculpting, and I was just, I don't know that I want to do lipo. It feels like invasive, and then I've seen like very scary cool sculpting results. I know for the most part, like most people are fine with it, but I've seen like the horror stories and I'm like, oh, I don't want that either. So I don't know, I might look into where to get Kybella somewhere else. But right now I'm just being a little lazy about it. And I can live with my gobbler. She ain't the worst in the world. Not that big a deal. I'm wearing my little earrings I got at a yard sale too today. I really, really like these. They're so cute and different. Very fond of it. Very fond. You know, I could give you guys a little daily dose of Fran too. Let me take you to Fran. Francesca, I'm giving the people what they want. You're the star, baby. She said, Mommy, leave me alone. Okay, we'll leave you alone. Goodbye. Hello and happy Wednesday. You can see there's water everywhere. The water is getting turned off today because they're doing work down the street on the pipes. And Fran somehow fell or jumped into it, got scared, and hightailed it the fuck out of me. Oh my god. I had to jump out of bed. I shouldn't have still been in bed. That's my bed. And grab a towel and my glasses because I couldn't see shit. And chase her around the whole house to try and dry her off. She wouldn't even stay still for treats. Like, who is my cat? Where did I had my jade thingy on the bed. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. And she was so mad at me. I didn't jump in the water. Stupid cat, you did. Oh my god. Bless her comical heart. She is insane. I still have my retainers in. Like, oh my god. That's one way to get out of bed. That certainly got the job done. Hello. I'm trying to figure out what to wear today. Not like it matters. I'm not leaving the house. I wanted to leave the house, but the only work that I have coming in at the moment all requires 2 screens. So this is not go sit at a cafe work. So I'm just staying home, and it's disgusting out, and they're like working on the pipes down the street. So I'm not in the mood to really leave the house. This is totally going against all my goals. But I'm leaving the house tomorrow. I'm getting lunch with a friend tomorrow, so that is good. But I don't know what to wear right now. I just started my period. and I'm like not feeling great. So between tie-dye sweatshirt because it's cute and fun and comfy, or early November sweatshirt because it's comfy, fun, and soft. I think I'm going soft. I think I've already decided. It is soft sweatshirt day. It's happening. So my lunch plans for tomorrow got canceled. My friend's son has strep, and I obviously don't want to catch that. She doesn't want to spread it, so we have relocated our lunch, or rescheduled our lunch. So I think tomorrow I will go out and walk to get some lunch to get out of the house. So that's good. Give me something to do. I didn't mention to you guys this morning, I got my informed delivery email from the Postal Service, and there's a letter in there, or an envelope of some sort, postmarked December 9th. So I'm thinking, like, what the hell has been sitting around for a month? It's probably like a Christmas card or something. I can't see who it's from since December 9th. Where has this poor envelope been? For a month. Delivery services are crazy. Well, the Postal Service is crazy. Yeah. Walking home, just dropped my cowboy boots off for repair. I've had them well over 10 years. They are leather, but they're one of the leather items I didn't sell or get rid of when we went vegan because honestly, I just feel like I was wearing the shit out of them. No one was going to buy them anyway, so I might as well get the most life out of them as possible. And I've gotten a lot of life out of them. And I just took them to get the heels replaced. So hopefully I'll get even more life out of them. And it's hard to find that style of cowboy boot anyway, like a slouchy cowboy boot. So I am happy to repair them and still have the look. So I'm gonna go in the house now. Hello and happy Thursday. I just noticed there's a rainbow outside. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I mean, you're obviously not getting a great view because there's a screen on my window, but look how beautiful. I don't think it keeps going. It just goes into the clouds, but oh, I love it. I also just broke my nail. It's a little nub now. I filed it down and painted the broken edge, but I'm sad. She's just a little nub. Hello and happy Friday. I'm heading out to grab some lunch and to get some lady products at the store. I'm wearing my comfy leggings. The little flare leggings with, of course, my new boots because I love them. I'm just wearing them nonstop. Got a little denim shirt over my Aritzia, the little crop tops I like. But I buttoned it because it's a little windy, so I figured my tummy would get cold. And I've got my mom's vintage high school jacket. And I am going to head over to get my stuff done. Oh, and I've got my cute heart sunglasses. I got lunch, I got my feminine hygiene products. Now I'm walking home, but like school obviously got out early. It must be midterms. I have to walk through all the teenagers. And it makes me so insecure because I'm old. And also I have panty lines today. So I thought I wouldn't see a soul out in about midday. But I'm going home now. I'm home. I think the local high school got out early. There must be exams or something. Kids everywhere, but they ain't hurt nobody, so whatever. Got my lunch. Can't breathe. The air is so thin outside. It's that weird weather where it's cold and warm anyway. So like I'm in the sun, I've worked up a sweat walking. I'm still freezing. Weird weather. Anyway, I'm going to eat now. I got the kale Caesar with the crab cake. And this maple bacon donut, obviously all vegan. Looks really yummy. Hello and happy Saturday. I'm having my coffee. Gonna watch The Kitchen probably. And I think we might do thrifting today. I sent my friend a message about if she wants to go do it because we were talking about it, but I think that's the plan. Maybe out in Frederick, so we'll see. But that's what I'm thinking today. Oh, I also wanted to, I don't know if I mentioned this already or not, but I wanted to tell you guys a little update on some of the items from the KVD box, or no, KND box. So the Jade face mask, love. Been using it every morning, love it. Austin's playing with the cat, if you can hear all that noise in the background. And then these socks, the like moistening gel sock things, used them once, they were really cool. The package says you can get 12 uses out of them, so I'm gonna keep using them, but I loved the first try, so that was fun. Those are my only 2 reviews I have so far. I haven't used the mug yet to tell you if it's going to shatter into a million pieces because it matched the display I had on my hanging mug thing, so I just put it on there for now. But yeah, those are my updates. I've got it over there on the bottom shelf, but I did like a little like light colors, pinks, and animal prints and stuff, so I just kind of went with it. It's on the bottom. Look at this. That's pretty amazing. Say hi. Hello. We're in a door. The door's really cool. We're in a tea shop looking for the one that Austin liked last time. We're at the Goodwill trying on things. I think this top's a winner. It's clearly my colors. Good morning. Yesterday I went thrifting, as I mentioned, so I figured I would show you guys what I got. I got 2 items from Goodwill. The first is this poncho from Francesca's, new with tags. It was $54 originally, got it for $10. Next up is this top. It's actually a pajama top. I looked up the brand and they usually sell it like Nordstrom and Dillard's, and the tops usually go for like $48. So I got it for $7, so that's a steal. The next items are from one of the booths in an antique mall. I got this vintage collared button-up shirt, and it is once again my color. It has major Trixie Mattel vibes. I also got this blazer. Aside from needing a little bit of shaving, it is in absolutely great shape. And the buttons, look at the buttons. They're insane. I love them. The next items are from an actual like curated thrift store, so these were a little more money. Here's the first item, this little vintage top, and it's got the little scarf so you can tie like a pussy bow or something and it'd be really cute. I also found this amazing piece. This is actually in a petite, so it fit me perfectly. The length was amazing. Look at all the different colored sequins. It is just absolutely the most beautiful piece, and it still has all its original tags and the extra sequins for if you need to do repairs. So that was awesome. I will tag the antique mall and the thrift store down below.